Tripo-AI turns a simple text prompt or a single image into a fully detailed 3D model in just seconds. Tripo is an AI-powered 3D generation platform that transforms your ideas into high-quality 3D assets. No advanced modeling required. You can type your description like a futuristic robot warrior or upload a photo, and AI instantly builds a textured production-ready 3D model. It's perfect for game developers, designers, animators, and even beginners who want to create models for VR, AR, or digital art projects. On a free account, your account will be credited with 300 credits. And if you want to create an image to 3D model, just upload your image right here and then click on generate model. It would cost 25 credits per image to 3D model. So this took around 5 minutes to generate this. We had uploaded, as you remember, this image right here, and using this as a reference, this has created this whole 3D model right here. Now, apart from generating a 3D model, you could enhance this by uploading other perspective images of the same character, as you can see here, but this would require a paid plan, which we would discuss later on. And you can also segment this for 40 credits. I assume this would be helpful for 3D printing stuff. And moving on, we also have other perspectives that we can animate this. We could also change the texture of this. You could also animate this if you want. And you can see, so it has been rigged. Let's see. Hmm. So this was just a tip of what typo can do. If you are interested into 3D modeling, this tool would be a great help to you. So let's now explore their plans. So firstly, we had the free plan that we were working on currently. We get 300 credits monthly and we can run up to 12 models in this. Then we have a starter plan for 223 rupees per month with 750 credits monthly, a professional plan for 900 rupees with 3000 credits per month, advanced plan for 3600 rupees with 8000 credits per month, and a premium plan for 11,600 rupees where you would get 25,000 credits per month. So with that, have a happy creating.